Good morning. So this morning I woke up to find my frozen smoothies that I made yesterday. These are the kiwi with the passion fruit, mango, pineapple concoction, also with a little spinach. That's why you see the green there. And so it's like 6 servings, frozen banana. It was the mix there, the berry mix, the acai mix, which had the frozen banana, the frozen pineapple, frozen mango, the frozen passion fruit. Then I added a kiwi, also with the green there, the kiwi, and then some veggies for spinach, and blended that all together along with some cinnamon and another banana and vanilla, and also some vanilla protein powder, along with some yogurt, and blended that all together and made this, along with honey. I added honey as well, added sweetness. So I'm gonna make an acai bowl using this. I'm just gonna pop, let's see, I'm gonna pop out like 2 of these. So right here. You can have as many as you want. 1, 2, maybe I'll add a 3rd one, just like this, just to have the bottom of my acai bowl. And I want it to be a little bit less frozen. So what I think I'm gonna do is to get a little mushier. Maybe what I'll do is I can microwave it, or I could also just reblend it. Actually, my daughter's sleeping, so I don't want to disturb her, so I'm just gonna microwave this a little bit to defrost it. I'll defrost this. Okay. Start. So while that's defrosting, I have here my banana, and to have less mess, I'm just going to go ahead and slice it using this spoon, and that way I don't even need to dirty up a plate or anything. So I have some ingredients to put into the acai bowl. I have these probiotic dried cherries, but if you don't like cherries, don't add them. Raisins, if you love raisins, it's a good thing to add. If you don't add it. Some walnuts, and then some vanilla granola. And then of course my favorite, cinnamon, one of my favorites. And I do love walnuts, or your favorite kind of nut. It could be walnuts, it could be almonds, whatever nut you really like, pistachios. And we're just making, an acai bowl, and it's basically a smoothie, a smoothie mix. It could be of acai berry, or it could be your favorite berries. It doesn't have to be acai. It could be a blueberry bowl. So this is an acai bowl version minus the acai. It's instead the passion fruit mixed with the kiwi. So it's a passion fruit mix acai bowl. And then, so that's my base. And now this, I actually made a mistake and had it in too long. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna, to fix my little mistake here, because, yeah?
Did you take my phone?
All right, gotta pause it for a sec.